It's normal to make mistakes while you're sewing, so let's make it easy to undo those mistakes. One thing I keep in mind is I don't go crazy with back stitches like this. This is a really hard stitch to have to take out if I've made a mistake, and it's going to ruin the fabric most likely. So 2 to 3 back stitches is strong enough to do the job. More than that, and you're going to make it really difficult for yourself. Also, I don't do really tight stitches. I keep mine at 3.0 millimeters for the length. That's long enough to make it easy to pull out, but still tight enough to hold my stuff together really well. When you go to take a mistake out, you want to open your seam up till you see the stitches. Then you're going to pick those first few stitches out. You want to loosen up the back stitch and get that out. So slide this in to up to the razor part, which is that curve. That's a razor. And just slide it through the stitch up to there, just for those back stitching part, and then start peeling it open. There you go. When you're using delicate fabrics, you want to use this method. Just pick and open the whole way. Otherwise, you're going to really risk tearing your fabric. But if you're using a quilting weight or something stronger than that, you can go ahead and open that seam, slide this in so that the red ball goes into the seam, like that. Now gently start pushing. Keep an eye on that point. You don't want it going into the fabric. And just slide it like this the whole way, and it'll come wide open. If you have trouble, if it stops and it's not sliding, that means you have a dull seam ripper and it's time to replace it with a new one. So keep a few on hand so that you can just toss the dull ones and pull out a fresh one. There you go.